Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Traefik for dynamic VPS routing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by choosing a reliable VPS provider. Access your VPS dashboard and create a new instance. Select an operating system that supports Traefik. Popular choices are Ubuntu or Debian. Once your VPS is set up, connect to it via SSH. Use a terminal such as PuTTY or your command line interface. Enter the command SSH username at your _VPS_IP. Replace username with your VPS username and your _VPS_IP with your VPS's IP address. Authenticate with your password to gain access. Ensure your system is up to date by running sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Once updates are complete, you will need to install Docker. Install Docker using the command sudo apt install docker.io. After installation, start and enable Docker with sudo system start Docker and sudo system enable Docker. Next, you will need to install Docker Compose. Install Docker Compose by running sudo apt install Docker Compose. Verify the installation by checking the version with Docker Compose version. Now you can create a directory for Traefik. Use the command dir Traefik and navigate into it with cd Traefik. Create a new file for your Docker Compose configuration. You can do this by typing nano-dockercompose.yml. In this file, start configuring your Traefik service. First, add the version and services sections. Define your Traefik service and its image. Add necessary environment variables to configure Traefik. Specify the ports you want Traefik to listen to. Now, you'll need to set up a network. This allows Traefik to communicate with other containers. Define this network in the same Docker Compose file. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.